Manuel Rubio, Miracle Body and Paint. So now your vehicle is pretty much wrapped up with the repair from the body technician, right? Most of the parts have arrived, they're ready to get painted. At that point, there could also be mechanical repairs. Sometimes the mechanical repairs get done right after the body repair gets done, sometimes before the body, so that the vehicle can still roll around the body shop, they can actually drive it. And so then it may go to the paint department. So the paint department now receives the car from the body department, and they make sure that all the parts have arrived, your mirrors, your bumpers, your fenders, your headlamps, and your doors and so forth. So they start preparing the car to get painted. A car can remain in the paint department 4 or 5 days. There's usually at our shop maybe 10 to 15 cars in the paint department. Most of them go through that department in about 3 to 4 days, depending on how many panels are required to be painted. But the preparation for the paint is very, very key. We have what's known as paint preppers. They prepare the panels to get them flawless before the painter actually starts painting the car, putting it into the booth, and prepares it for the proper paint. He has to go through a paint matching process. We have cameras that help us get immensely close to the color of your car, which may have a little sunburn, a little fading, and maybe 2 or 3 years old. But it's a scientific process, and we're glad to report that we have the newest technology to be able to blend the colors and get them back to factory match. And technology has really helped us provide excellent color matching. So to learn more about the next steps, stay tuned for our next session.